Indeed, I think market participants are breathing a collective sigh of relief. So no new tariffs for the time being, and the two sides are restarting their trade negotiations. So I think that's a positive for risky assets, at least for the foreseeable future. So if you look at the economy as a whole, both in China and the rest of the world, we have seen some signs of cooling off. However, global central banks are beginning to act in the US and elsewhere. And China, of course, always stands ready to help stimulate the economy so that the economy can grow at a rate between 6% and 6.5%. So I think the trade news over the weekend definitely is positive for markets. Going forward, we have to watch for signs of further progress on the negotiations between the two sides.
But the uncertainty remains, and that's the problem here, that we got an announcement that talks will continue, but we had very little detail about the basis on which those talks may go forward, or indeed when we might get a fulsome agreement.
Well, you know, it's a truce. It's not really a deal yet, right? So uncertainty, unfortunately, will remain for the time being. But this is only one of the uncertainties in the global economy. You have other issues as well. So I think for now, markets have taken on a more optimistic and upbeat tone, at least since the weekend. And I think this optimistic tone will continue for the next couple of months. And market participants are focusing much more on fundamentals now, on corporate earnings, on the Chinese government's reform program. Also remember, just in the recent couple of days, the central government in China also announced policies to further open up the financial market as well as other industries. So many cross currents here globally, but I would say for now, the market tone is much more positive compared to only 2 weeks ago.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.